Hey everyone, welcome back to smarthome. If you're here, it's probably because you've encountered the dreaded 5E error code on your Samsung refrigerator. Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly and easily. The 5E error code on your Samsung refrigerator indicates an issue with the defrost sensor. This can be due to a few reasons such as a faulty sensor, a clogged defrost drain, or even just a temporary glitch. Let's go through the steps to diagnose and fix this issue. Step 1. Reset your refrigerator. First, let's try resetting the refrigerator. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear the error code. Unplug your refrigerator from the power outlet, wait for about 5 minutes, and then plug it back in. This can reset the internal system and might resolve the issue. After plugging it back in, check if the error code is still there. If it's gone, great. If not, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Check the defrost drain. Next, we need to check the defrost drain. Sometimes it can get clogged with ice or debris, causing the 5EA error. Locate the defrost drain at the back of your freezer compartment. If you see any ice buildup, you can defrost it using a hairdryer on a low setting. Just be careful not to melt any plastic parts. Once the ice is melted, use a turkey baster or a similar tool to flush the drain with warm water. This will help remove any debris that might be causing the blockage. Step 3. Inspect the defrost sensor. If the error code persists, the issue might be with the defrost sensor itself. You'll need to remove the back panel of the freezer to access it. Make sure to unplug the refrigerator before you start. Once you have access, check the sensor for any visible damage or loose connections. If you find any damage, you may need to replace the sensor. You can order a replacement part online or from a local appliance store. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, consider calling a professional. Step 4. Contact Samsung support. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Samsung support. They can provide further assistance and, if necessary, arrange for a technician to visit your home. Conclusion. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix the 5E error code on your Samsung refrigerator. I hope this video helped you solve the problem. If it did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance repair tips. If you have any questions or additional tips, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.